Dominoes have been around for a long time. What a fun game to play. I've played this with my kids. They played with their grandma. But did you know they could be used as a math manipulative? Now this is a set of double six dominoes. It's a set of 28. So double six just means I have everything from double zeros all the way up to double sixes. I have everything in between. What's nice about them, they're not only a game, and when you're playing the game, it's good math practice, but you can use these to practice numbers. These are used in the Saxon program. You may already have a set of dominoes sitting around your house. These are made of wood. The dots are painted on. These are just an affordable option, not just for game playing, but for working on your math skills. So I have 6. What do I have that will equal 6? If I have a 2 and a 4, I could put it right here at the end. Where's my 2 and 4? Oh, there it is. Look, 2 and 4 equals 6. So I could use these to work on my math concepts. I would need another 6 on the other side. Oh, look, there we go. I have another 6. Now I could just keep playing dominoes. Look, I can match my numbers. I can use them for addition. I can use them for just counting. I can use them for a variety of number skills.